Hello and welcome colleague for the assessment of assignment 2 criteria 4 and 5. Here we wish to discuss about the evaluation of the effectiveness of the proposed online activity. In general, as suggested by authors, there are 7 principles for good educational practice. So, teacher encourages student and faculty interaction. Teacher encourages cooperation among students, encourages active learning process, gives prompt feedback, emphasizes time on task, communicate high expectations, as well as teacher respects diverse talents as well as their ways of learning. So this could be basis for a particular effectiveness for a particular course. So in general, the teacher may ask certain questions to himself that how many of my learners really learn how much of what I wanted to teach. Did the student like it? Did they learn the subject? Can they apply the acquired knowledge independently outside training environment? Did they achieve the larger goal with which they did this training, such as maybe finding a job, getting a rise, becoming more productive, etc. Through these particular questions, the effectiveness can be assessed at various levels of the interaction. Say, for example, here the first question can be had in the classroom itself, whereas the last question could be even after passing out of the students through that particular program. So here, as we learn through this particular module, the proposed evaluation plan is own self-reflection, peer feedback, student feedback, and theory. Just to have the brief outline, as a part of this own self-reflection, the proposed technology of the Google Classroom is certainly appropriate. It is helping us, rather me, to achieve the course outcomes, but there is a need to have lot of improvements, and hence the outcomes that are proposed to have could be at this stage partially attained. It is certainly recommendable to the colleague, and number of my colleagues are also simultaneously working on that. So as they work on it, I will receive their feedback for the particular technology as well as the process I am adopting. Here, I have attempted to have short as well as certain richer feedback from the students. Lot many are happy, but a few are not happy. This could be because that each of the activity that they are supposed to do is being recorded. In addition, here certain theory component could also be had in order to determine these particular, say, effectiveness of the activity. So certain literature or certain educational technologies could be giving their, say, previous, could be having their experience that could be checked with the kind of experience I am having and will be having in the process of this particular interaction. So the kind of the references that I had are mentioned here. Lastly, I would like to acknowledge this work is done as a part of compliance towards the certification of online course, Learning to Teach Online, offered by the University of the New South Wales through Coursera. I wish to thank all the resource persons, peers, and numerous online data providers who facilitated and made my learning experience very wonderful. Thank you. Thank you very much.